Welcome to our series of BinSense installation videos. In this video, we'll take you through getting BinSense equipment sorted out on the site. We'll head out to the yard in a second, but before we do that, make sure you bring along the printed site map with the list of bins and corresponding BinSense unit serial numbers. You can access the printed site map by looking up the site on the BinSense web dashboard and clicking the printer icon. You'll also want to take along the quote details for the site, listing what length and type of cables are being installed in each bin, as well as any accessories required for each bin. Once on site, sort out all the BinSense equipment by bin using the serial number shown in the site map to find which unit belongs to each bin. One bin in the site will be equipped with a master unit, which can be identified by the blue antenna fin. The bin with the master unit also requires the master unit battery pack and may require additional mounting brackets for solar panels and the external antenna. The remaining bins on the site require a remote unit to read the sensing cables. Use the site map serial number list to match each remote unit to the correct bin. Once the master and remote units are set out for each bin, use the quote details to sort out sensing cables and other accessories for each bin. Cables do not have to be installed in specific bins based on serial number, they just need to be the right length and type. When more than one cable is being installed in the same bin, each cable needs a unique cable ID. You can set the cable ID using a BinSense Direct unit and the BinSense mobile app. Open the dealer tools in the mobile app and select Program Cable IDs. Plug the Direct unit into each cable individually. It's easiest to do this while the cables are still on the ground and easily accessible instead of on the roof of the bin. Once all the equipment is sorted out, you can begin installing cables.